Ever wondered what life was like in ancient cities? What secrets do their historic streets hold? The allure of the ancient is a powerful draw, an irresistible call to the curious among us. These cities steeped in history are not just relics of a bygone era, but a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors. They whisper tales of grandeur, of civilizations that rose and fell, of cultures that shaped the very fabric of humanity. Imagine walking down a cobblestone street that has stood the test of time, where countless generations have trod. Each stone, each turn, each corner holds a story waiting to be told. These ancient cities were the cradles of human civilization, the birthplaces of art, science, and culture. They stand as silent witnesses to our history, a history that is etched in every nook and cranny. As we journey through time, get ready to unravel the mysteries of these ancient cities. Our first stop is Egypt, the cradle of civilization. As we embark on this journey back in time, we're drawn towards the ancient city of Thebes, one of the most influential cities in the early world. Nestled along the banks of the Nile, Thebes was once the beating heart of Egypt, its vibrant pulse echoing through the corridors of history. Thebes was the seat of power for the New Kingdom, the period in ancient Egyptian history when the country was at its most prosperous and powerful. It was here that pharaohs, the god-kings of Egypt, ruled with divine authority, their edicts shaping the course of a civilization that would span thousands of years. One cannot talk about Thebes without marveling at its architectural achievements. The city was home to the Luxor and Karnak temples, both architectural masterpieces of their time. The Luxor Temple, an elegant testament to Egypt's religious fervor, was dedicated to the Theban triad of Amun, Mut, and Khonsu, the gods of creation, motherhood, and the moon, respectively. Not too far from Luxor, one finds the Karnak Temple, a sprawling complex of chapels, pylons, and obelisks. It was the most important place of worship in ancient Egypt, its grandeur reflecting the immense power and wealth of the pharaohs who built it. But the influence of Thebes extends beyond its monumental structures. The city was a hub of culture and knowledge. The art, literature, and philosophy that sprung from this ancient metropolis have left an indelible mark on modern society. The tales of gods and pharaohs, of life and death, have been woven into the fabric of our collective consciousness. The wisdom of ancient Thebes has shaped the philosophies, religions, and governance systems we see in the world today. And so, as we leave the sands of Thebes behind, we carry with us a deeper understanding of the human journey. We see how our ancestors, with their wisdom and ingenuity, built a civilization that would stand the test of time. We see how the echoes of their achievements still resonate in our world today. Thebes, a testament to human ingenuity, sets a high bar for our exploration. Next, we journey to Mesopotamia, known as the land between two rivers. This cradle of civilization, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, gave rise to some of the world's first cities. Among them, Babylon holds a special place in history and our hearts. Babylon, a name that resonates with tales of grandeur and splendor, was a city like no other. Its most iconic feature, the Hanging Gardens, was one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Imagine a magnificent mountain of greenery, with lush plants cascading down in a spectacular display of botanical beauty. This was not just a garden, but a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the Babylonians. Yet Babylon wasn't just about grand architecture, it was also a city of laws. The Code of Hammurabi, one of the oldest deciphered writings of significant length in the world, was established here. It wasn't just a list of rules, but a structured system of laws, setting a precedent for justice systems worldwide. It encompassed everything from trade regulations and property rights to criminal law and civil rights. Babylon's influence extends beyond its walls, shaping the way we build and govern our cities today. Its grid-based city planning with straight streets intersecting at right angles is a concept still used in modern urban design. Imagine that, a blueprint from thousands of years ago continuing to guide how we structure our urban environments. Further, the city's law code has been a touchstone for legal systems around the globe. The principle of an eye for an eye, first recorded in the Code of Hammurabi, is still a topic of legal and ethical discussion. As we step back from the ancient streets of Babylon, we realize that it isn't just an old city buried in the sands of time. It's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, a city that dared to reach for the stars and managed to touch them. Babylon, a city ahead of its time, continues to influence us today. Now let's travel to the Far East, to the heart of ancient China. Imagine the rich tapestry of history, culture, and tradition that has been woven over several millennia in the ancient city of Xi'an. This city, once known as Chang'an, meaning eternal peace, served as the capital for no less than 13 dynasties, including the illustrious Han and Tang dynasties. The fame of Xi'an, however, is not just due to its status as an ancient capital. This city is home to one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, the Terracotta Army. These statues, numbering in the thousands, were created to accompany China's first emperor Qin Shi Huang into the afterlife. Each soldier, with its unique facial expression and posture, stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of ancient Chinese civilization. Xi'an's influence stretches beyond its borders, thanks to the Silk Road. This city served as the eastern terminus of this great trade route that connected the East and the West. The Silk Road brought more than just goods. It was a conduit for ideas, religions, and cultural practices, which shaped and enriched Xi'an's cultural fabric. From the bustling Muslim quarter with its unique blend of Islamic and Chinese architecture, to the towering Dian Pagoda, a symbol of the city's Buddhist heritage, Xi'an is a city where cultures intersected and flourished. This city's influence on Chinese culture is immense, from its contribution to literature, philosophy, and art, to its role in the development of Chinese Buddhism and the Chinese written script. The city's historical and cultural significance is reflected in its status as one of the four great ancient capitals of China. Today, Xi'an stands not just as a city, but as a living museum, a testament to China's rich history and enduring culture. Xi'an, a city that stood at the crossroads of cultures, leaves a lasting legacy. Our final stop takes us to the New World, to the heart of the Maya civilization. Our journey transports us to the ancient city of Tikal, located in the rainforests of modern-day Guatemala. This city, once a bustling hub of the Maya civilization, stands as a testament to their innovative spirit and remarkable intellectual prowess. Tikal, with its towering pyramids and intricate carvings, is a marvel of ancient architecture. The city's grandeur is reflected in the Temple of the Grand Jaguar, a monument so tall that it seems to pierce the sky. This temple, along with others, served as the epicenter of political and religious activities, a place where the Maya expressed their deep connection with the cosmos. This connection is also evident in their advanced understanding of mathematics and astronomy. The Maya were among the first to develop the concept of zero, a mathematical breakthrough that revolutionized the world. Their fascination with the heavens led them to create an intricate calendar system matching the precision of modern astronomical calculations. Their astronomical observations were not mere stargazing. They used their knowledge to align their cities with celestial bodies, creating a unique fusion of architecture and astronomy. This fusion is most evident in the Temple of the Sun, a structure designed to align with the sun's path on the equinoxes. This astronomical alignment was not just for aesthetic purposes. It played a crucial role in their agricultural cycle, helping them determine the best times for planting and harvesting crops. The legacy of the Maya civilization continues to impact modern science and architecture. The precision of their calendar system continues to astonish scholars and scientists. Their architectural designs have inspired modern architects, leading to a resurgence of sustainable and environmentally conscious designs. Tikal, with its monumental architecture and advanced scientific understanding, stands as a testament to the genius of the Maya civilization. This city, once the heart of a thriving civilization, continues to inspire and amaze us with its enduring legacy. Tikal, a city that reached for the stars, reminds us of the limitless potential of human creativity. Our journey through these ancient cities reveals a rich tapestry of human history. We've taken a step back in time through the bustling streets of Thebes, felt the grandeur of Babylon, stood in awe of Xi'an's terracotta warriors, and marveled at the Mayan ingenuity in Tikal. Each city, in its own unique way, has shaped the course of human civilization. Their influence echoes through the ages, visible in the architecture, culture, and traditions that we see and experience today. These ancient cities, though miles and millennia apart, share a common thread: the indomitable human spirit to create, to build, and to endure. Their stories remind us of our shared heritage and the timeless human quest for knowledge, for beauty, and for a better life. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, these ancient cities serve as a mirror to our past and a compass pointing towards our future. As we close our journey, remember that the ancient streets we tread are not just paths in history, but also guideposts to our future.